What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we have finally our April 2021 FPVCRATE box. It's a little later than normal. I think they had some problems probably getting it out the door, but nevertheless, we got our April 2021 FPVCRATE box. If you don't already know what FPVCRATE is, it's pretty much a subscription box for FPV enthusiasts to get like parts. Usually, sometimes you get t-shirt, props, some random parts. Sometimes you get all the components you need to pretty much build your own like 5-inch type of racing drone or freestyle drone. And all those parts are kind of related to building yourself a drone. So if you save them all up over probably about a 6-month period, you probably have enough parts to build yourself a analog setup. I don't think they have an option yet for digital. Hopefully, maybe in the future they'll do something a little different. I know they were kind of testing some ideas out there. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and unbox our April 2021 FPVCRATE. Okay. So we got our little thank you note and a coupon that shows get $10 off on a DIY drone kit using the code FPVCRATE DIY. I'll be leaving a link, by the way, to FPVCRATE down below if you're interested in checking it out. It is an affiliate link, helps support the channel. But if you like to help support the channel, go ahead and use it. Looks like we've got some stickers this month. Looks like it's a giant sticker. It's like no, they're all broken up, so there's little pieces. So cool. Yeah, so FPV Explorer, still going on with that like sci-fi theme. I kind of dig that type of theme. I like it. Looks like we got ourselves a Lumineer antenna. I'm not sure if it's right or left. Right hand. So cool. These are about like 10, 12 bucks. About. Okay, and it looks like we got a TBS Unify Pro 5.8. Nice. So this is a nice VTX. It's about a $40 or $50 VTX, I believe. In that price range, I'll probably leave a link down below what this is. Really good analog VTX. Yeah, I don't really no complaints about it. Eventually, you know, we're going to get those boxes where we have a VTX, a flight controller, ESC, motors. You know, it's pretty simple. I mean, basic what they're going to send every month. I mean, sometimes they might come out of the box a little bit and send something a little different. But usually it's like a flight controller, ESC, frame, you know, that type of stuff. And then we also have our props that they sent, 3 sets of them, and they're the HQ props. Size of them. Oh, they're the R34s. R35s. R35s. Cool. Oh, and we also got a shirt in this month's box. So let's just take a look, see how it is. I am hoping they changed their material because I've had some problems with them shrinking on me a little bit. Putting them in the wash. They feel a little different. I don't have one on right now, but to feel a difference. But it does feel a little different to me. So it says FPV Explorer. Looks like this is Mars, maybe? I don't know. Kind of, maybe not. But kind of reminds me of, you know, the stuff going on Mars right now. Pretty cool. But yeah, this is the FPVCRATE for April 2021. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give a like. Leave a comment down below with what you thought of this month's box. And if you're subscribed or not. But this is FPVCRATE. This is Viper FPV, of course. And I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.